Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C615F working with the Echo Show. Basically, you just need to have the camera working with Alexa. So here you see that I have the camera. This is just the box because the camera it's out there working, all right? And I have here an Echo Show and here my phone. So I'm assuming that you have the Tapo app already working with your camera. That's the idea. If you don't, just come to see the other video here where I explain how to set up the camera, right, with the Tapo app. And then you have the camera working. As you can see, I have mine there, working pretty fine. And from here, I can just make Alexa work, and then I can ask her to show on the Echo Show. Super simple. So it's working here. Then if you don't have Alexa, you just need to come here to the App Store, download and install Alexa. Open here. And then you're gonna look for the skills for Tapo. So you come here to the main menu, here on Alexa Plus Store. Look for this skill named Tapo. So just enter here Tapo. That's the one. And then you're going to enable to use. So basically, you're going to link your Tapo account to the Amazon account, right? Just click here, enable to use. And here just need to confirm to link the account. If it asks for the password, just enter the password, but it's not the case here. Just need to select here to agree and link. And there we go. So Tapo has been successfully linked. So I just hit next. And now Alexa is looking for the devices to connect to, right? As long as I have the Tapo camera working here on the cell phone, it's going to be linked to Alexa. You see here, one Tapo camera found and connected. I just hit next. Skip here, can put the camera in a group, in a location. I just hit skip, and you see that found my Tapo C615F, and it's ready to use. I hit done. Okay, and I'm good to go here. I can see the device is available. See here, that's recently added here to the app. And I can see from the cell phone using the Alexa app. And then I can also come here and unmute my Echo Show and ask Alexa, show Tapo C615F.
Okay, opening the Tapo C615F camera.
There we go, and it's working. See, pretty simple, right? Just need to ask her, and she's going to open and show your camera. And you can do this also with your Fire Stick, show the camera on the TV, and also with the Amazon tablet and anything that you have that's connected to Alexa, okay? So hope that helps. That's the way you can connect your Tapo C615F to Alexa, and you can use everywhere, all right? So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.